Hey guys, Paul Cross here with Waterfront Adventures. I'm here with Captain Jake, one of our go-to in-water guides. What I'd like to do is explain to the folks what we do different, right? So can you explain why we wear the 5 mil wetsuits versus the 3 mil everybody else is in?
Absolutely. We wear the 5 mil because they're going to keep you warm. They also act as a flotation device. They're super buoyant, so they're going to keep you floating on the surface, keep you face down in the water, nice and calm and relaxed, so you're not disturbing those manatees down the bottom. We're not kicking our feet. You're not going to be stirring up the bottom down there, so it gives it a much better experience for everybody.
Does that allow them to stay in the water a little longer, maybe increase their time with the manatees?
Oh, absolutely. With a thicker wetsuit, you're going to be way warmer than you would be in a skin suit or a 3 millimeter wetsuit even, and that way it allows us to have a lot more time in the water, be around those manatees and really get up close and have that really cool personal experience with them.
So you say it keeps them warm, but it's still cold outside. So is there anything else that you do that will help set us apart from others, like the towel service maybe?
Absolutely. We have fresh towels on board for everybody that gets on. Once you get out of the water and you've had that really cool experience with our manatees, we've got hot chocolate on board, we've got coffee on board, we've got tea on board, and we make this really cool thing called a Manatee Mocha, where we take the hot chocolate, we put it in there, and then we pour coffee over the top of it. It's really good.
That sounds good. So if you would like to learn more information about Waterfront Adventures, go to swimmingwiththemanatees.com or give us a call.